Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Come in. Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to today's announcements. A lot to go through real quick. Today is Friday, October 16th, so you will attend your even periods 2, 4, 6, 8. Sixth graders, you have advisory today. You see the start times. Let's be sure we get there. Hey, next week, bus ridership will require mask wearing. And of course, IDs. That's a new thing. We're doing that for your safety and so that we can contact trace. Regarding next week, the first group to come in on Monday, October 19th, that'll be our red group, and it will be an A day. Buses will run at the normal times in the mornings, but we're staying an hour longer. As you can see, school goes till 3:35 next week. Yellow group, you guys start with an A day on Tuesday. The mask wearing at school, we need to be very careful, very cognizant, and support each other of this. So gaiters and face shields aren't what we're going to wear. We're going to wear masks above our nose that go down below our chin, and we need to do that to be safe for each other. And then when you come back next week, if you have library books out, and we had 470 some out, bring them back next week. Turn them in. We need to get those taken care of. These are from last year, Wildcats. Let's be responsible and find those and get them turned in. Now some announcements, lots of announcements. 7th and 8th grade dance, kids interested in dance. Sparkettes will start on Monday after school. It'll go from 4 to 5:30. If you're in group 1, it starts on Monday. If you're in group 2, it starts on Tuesday. 7th and 8th grade girls basketball is going to start the next week, Monday, October 26th. Group 1 on Monday. October 27th, group 2. 8th graders, if you're interested in trying out for the North High basketball team, one of the 9th grade teams, you just let us know next week. Let us know before October 26th. That basketball practice will be from 4 to 5:30. Wrestling's going to start November 9th. The musical is on hold, but we're hoping that we can get that started November 16th. So keep your ears open for those. 6th grade activities are currently postponed. Remember, if you're going to be involved in dance, girls basketball, wrestling, etc., get that sports physical done, turn it into the office, and then on Power School, sign off on the HIPAA concussion and co-curricular meeting. Congratulations to our students of the week. 6th grade, Alyssa Tarnavik. Ms. Skifton nominated her. Congratulations, Alyssa. Isaac Tish was nominated by Mrs. McFarland, our 7th grade winner. And Viola Sandstrom, teammate 1, was our nominee. Congratulations to our students of the week. We are proud of you. You have earned this because of respectful, responsible growth mindset and safe behavior, adding value to this school. Hey, a quote from Albert Schweitzer. First of all, Albert Schweitzer was a incredible person. He was a writer, historian, doctor, musician, surgeon, pastor, philosopher, village administrator. He ran buildings and grounds for his hospital, and he did that all at the same time. He was winner of the Nobel Peace Prize in 1952. Here's a quote from him. By practicing a reverence for life, we become good, deep, and alive. Reverence means a feeling of love, awe, esteem. So hey, let's revere each other. Let's treat each other well. Let's add value to each other's lives by just being good to each other, by being positive, appropriate. Everywhere we go, add value. Wildcats, that's the answer. That's what we need to do today and every day. Have a great day, everyone.